We're going to look at another tool now that can be used to both access and organise information. In fact, today's presentation is a LibGuide. So LibGuides are just that, ways to organise information. They can be used to support a subject, a unit of work, or an assessment task. If you'd like to work with Kerry to create a LibGuide for something that you're interested in, please ask. LibGuides can be accessed 24/7 from anywhere. If you enter the correct terms into your search engine, it will bring up the LibGuides that we've created. The easiest way to access them, though, is via the school portal. In the links column on the right-hand side of the page, click on LibGuides. That will take you to a list of the LibGuides that are currently published. When we're not using a LibGuide anymore, we unpublish it. One that we'll go to now that shows you the functionality of LibGuides is the library homepage. You can see how LibGuides are structured. So across the top of the LibGuide are a series of tabs. Some of those tabs have a triangle next to them. It means that there's sub-pages under that tab. From this homepage, you can see that there are also links to some of the things that we've looked at previously. So you can link to the Oliver catalogue from here. You can also link to the ebook collection. So that's the library homepage. If I go back to LibGuides, we'll look at one that was created to support a subject now. So if we click on the drama one, you can see again that it has the tabs across the top of the page. And from those tabs there are links to other sites. So that's how LibGuides work.